Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away train.
Well, go on again, Unstoppable family. So people, a voice recording was sent to me by one of my loyal subscribers. Karen, big up yourself and thanks a lot for sending this recording to me. She said, Unstoppable, please take a listen to this voice recording. So I'm jump in and I take a listen. And people, you know we live in a society right now where certain things are more acceptable or accepted than it was back in the day. And certain people fight for them rights. For love who them want for love, you know, feel how them want to feel, and do it who them want to do it. But it is still not accepted, especially in certain communities in Jamaica, especially garrison communities. Well, this mother is talking to her son, and she seems concerned about how the neighbors may feel, what the neighbors may be thinking is going on. And the mother, I say, here what you have multiple men visit the house. What you think the neighbors think are going? Well, her son sounds confused and the mother address it. We're going to take a listen, but before we do that, let me make this clear. This video is not made to bash any organization, any group, or anyone of any sexes. Right? People, let's take a listen.
You say you don't know. You're confused. You don't know which one you like. I have man come here to you.
A group word. Me tell you say a group word.
How me know? Shall not lie yourself. You just said that.
Me no know. Me can't assure you any further.
Because if you like man, I invite man 2 at one time. And 1 at the other time. What concept you give both me and Peter? Answer.
For mind them business because you don't know what going.
But you have it in your phone to prove that you love man. And you just say it, so you're confused because you don't know which one. So that means you tell me, say, you have it in your mind to deal with man. That you tell me now. I don't know how that come in your mind. Because I just put one thing for you, the Bible tell you. I have seen it in the family, you know, see. When you go to bed at night time, you know, a woman you see me go with. You never see me with a woman. You never see your pa with a man. You never see none of your uncle them with a man. You never see one of your auntie them with a woman. How you come in off your head? How we confuse you? Then the question them on why you ask.
And me can't answer them the minute I say me don't know.
You don't know? Well, let me tell us thing today. Try know. Starting today. Here? Try to figure it out starting today. And until you choose the other side, just pack up your things them and leave. Don't stay here. Because it not work as so. Because the only thing you do is bring down shame and disgrace for your family. That's all you do. The whole world don't chat you already. And you man. Yeah? You give them the thinking. 2. I see everyone look for your picnic and I always slap out your ass and tell us don't do that. He's a man, he's not a girl. I make Ouija them put on lipstick on you, put on something in a blouse, like a have breath, and do all kinds of stuff. They pave it out of you. The other day you come from California to your phone, I see you kiss man. I talk to you about it, your father talk to you about it. And it still not ends. That means that in your blood bridging, in you, and nobody can stop you. That's the intention you have. Oh, if me put one glass of drinks pan it railing now. One glass of poison. Are you thirsty? Which one did I drink?
Glass of water.
So how you know say water you drink?
Because the other one, the water clear.
How you know? If you eat one of them even clear, how you know say the water you drink? Because if you drink the other one, it will kill you. How you know?
Common sense.
Same thing. Common sense tell you which sex you choose. How you know? Man have someone to take this in.
No.
Woman have.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
God make them with it, don't?
Yeah.
God make man with it.
No.
So you don't like one man where you put for your penis. Now, answer me question. Two adults that talk, you know pick me. Where you go put your penis?
But I concept everybody have.
Where your bathroom make for?
If you do it though.
You do the inside or you do the outside?
You do the out.
Anything else you do to your bathroom?
No.
So when you put it in there, where you go book pan?
By your anus wall or what?
It. It's a good something.
No.
Get infection by your penis. And go find this you have all kind of germs, all kind of this, all kind of that. So that tells you that you're wrong. Don't it?
Yeah.
When you put a penis in one vagina, where you book pan?
Nothing.
Thank you. Something in there if you come out.
No.
Why give you germs, infection, only if you're sick. If a person has diarrhea, have some form of disease. And that's why prior little boy, you must hear your guidance council teach you to use condom, don't?
Yeah.
To prevent these STDs, diseases and pregnancy. Not true?
Yeah.
So what wrong about your concept? Or what about your concept if you can't get it in your head by now? You're in your role now. What wrong about you if you can't get it in your head? What is the right and what is the wrong? Tell me, what else you want to see it clear? What else you want to hear? To know? Tell me. You need to answer my question.
No.
You don't know? You see people like you have them kind of concept there. When the world set up, people put a gun on your head, you don't know half. Or buy some poison and mix in your food and your drinks and that you want. That's the only thing left for you get. And I can assure you, don't stay here if you have that concept. Because me personally, I go to prison. Because I'm not going to accept you and I'm not going to wire you. So try and listen cleanly when I say to you. Because I'm not if, I'm not but, I'm not suppose. If all I want me outline to you a while ago, you can't see through it and know the right and have the right concept of life. And one out of them two that you deserve next. One out of them two that you want. Just get rid of you once and for all. Take away all shame and disgrace out of my face. It might sound sad, it might sound bad, but it's the truth. I'd rather do that more than have you shame me and disgrace me for the whole world to see. My workplace, people go stand down here and say, so that man, you know. As a matter of fact, they don't go here. The whole community don't have your chat already. Once somebody probably come to a car, somebody are foreign and tell them, I reach a foreign. Spread out over the whole world. How you think that feel? To me, I never raised it that way there. I teach you the right way from your pick me until now. You don't see me I live them their life, you don't see your father I live it. You don't see nobody else to live it. Why you choose that path? And you tell me with your stupid self, say you're confused. What did if you confused? So somebody are born you and I said, come there with man. Somebody are born you, somebody are tie you to it. In phone and Instagram and the friend them where you keep them put in your head. And it confuse you. So you see the Instagram come off. You see the group out. You see the friend them where you keep, drop them. Today. So all of who you feel safe. Love man. Done with them. Them not connected to you. Them are not your brother, them are not your father, them are not nobody to you. Cut them off. And try to get the right concept in your mind. Quick and fast. Before me have to make for me decision. And I don't tell you for me decision. Either you or get suit you. And get rid of you from my life. It's easier if you know so me bury you. Now me have you in my life at shame and disgrace. So everybody around the world will know me. You let something on man. I'm not depend that with you. Daddy and Carl asked me the question, what must I go back and tell them? Yes, man, with who? Tell me now. Hey!
No.
Huh?
No.
So when me not tell them, no hide me, hide it. No lie me, I tell. Answer.
Yeah, tell.
So what me fi do? What me fi do?
I don't know.
Are two things to it, true or false? What me fi do?
Now it's your turn for that to be down in the comment section. What do you think this mother should do? Do you think she took the right approach to this and the things that was said to the son? Do you agree with it? I want to hear your opinion down in the comment section. One thing I can say, however, me like how mommy was calm while speaking to him. She never did a cuss and a carry on. She was very calm right throughout the entire recording. But viewers, as me say, start me down in the comment section. I will be looking out for your comments in the chat. Alright? Until next time, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.